Vactor 2100 in-cab control panel. Startup screen. This screen will display while the system is booting. Road mode screen. After booting, the default screen is road mode screen. The buttons down the left and the right side of the control panel are for activating what the screen displays next to the button. Or you can touch the screen itself to perform that function. When in another mode, the road mode button, when pushed, will put the truck back into the road mode. Jet mode. When the jet mode button or screen jet icon is pushed, the system will automatically engage everything needed for that mode. Both PTOs will be engaged and all safeties will be applied. In jet mode, you can move any hydraulic function and water pump functions from handguns to maximum flows for jetting. Combo button. The combo button is for when you want to vacuum. In order to engage the combo mode, you must first apply the service foot brake. Press the combo button or touch the combo icon on the screen will engage the transfer case and the blower along with all the safeties needed. When the screen displays the message, combo engaged, you may exit the cab, is when you can take your foot off the brake. Depending on the options you have at this time, the blower will be engaged, or the option to start the blower at the hose reel will function. Strobe lights. On the right side is the strobe button and icon. This will turn on all strobes. You can program the strobes to turn on when you engage the jet or combo modes. Note, you might have strobes that are not wired to the Vactor system. The work lights button. This will turn on all work lights you have programmed to turn on. You can program the work lights to turn on when you engage the jet or combo modes. Note, you might have work lights that are not wired to the Vactor system. Camera button or icon will view on the screen the cameras. You can choose what camera you want, front, rear, or if you have a 4-camera system, the left and right sides. Split view will show both cameras at the same time. With a 4-camera system, you can view all 4 at once. Pushing the camera button or icon again will turn the camera view off of the screen. The dim brightness button on the lower left will dim the screen's brightness. You will use this when it is dark outside so the screen is not as bright. On the main screen is the following information. The mode panel will inform you what mode the system is in. Example: road mode, jet mode, or combo mode. GPM and PSI will display what the water pump is performing at when engaged. GPM is flow and PSI is the water pressure the pump is delivering. Touching reports will open the reports screen, and you can view job reports, trip reports, and lifetime reports. Settings gear icon will open the settings screen. The date and time panel. The drivetrain icon will indicate what is engaged in real time. You see now that the engine is running and the rear end is connected for road mode. When you enter jet mode, PTO A and B will illuminate. When in combo mode, the transfer gear case and the blower will illuminate. Pushing the reports icon will open the reports screen. The job screen is for each time you engage the jet or combo mode. The information is start time and date, duration and cleaning time, fresh water used, average water pressure, average GPM, max hose jetting, total feet jetted, vacuum time, and how much fuel you used. The trip report is a total of the jobs for that day. Lifetime is from when the Vactor was first operated. The setting icon that looks like a gear will open the settings screen. Looking at the mode settings screen, you'll have a choice of what will happen when in one of the following modes: in road mode, in jet mode, in combo mode. You can choose what will come on or go off in each of the modes. The choices are for work lights and warning lights. In the lights strobes settings screen, the choice is for work lights, strobe lights, and arrow board if they are wired to the Vactor system. In each settings screen, you'll program what happens when the button for that function is pushed. Example, when the work lights button is pushed, the hose reel light, the rear lights, the boom lights will all come on. The rear lights can also be turned on when in reverse. Camera settings screen. Reverse on will turn the rear camera on when the transmission is in reverse. Display brightness screen. Allows you to set the brightness level for daytime and nighttime. Date and time screen. To adjust the date or the time, touch the figure that you want to change, and an adjustment screen will pop up to make the adjustment. Menu button is a second way to get most operator settings that we've already discussed. For a mechanic or dealership, there are more options available in this menu screen. Systems. The System Information screen shows the software version and the Vactor serial number.